Thanks for your watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for future update. In this video, I will give you a big surprise about the electronic companies located in Malaysia. Semiconductor companies are at the heart of the modern technological revolution, driving innovation across industries from consumer electronics and automotive to healthcare and aerospace. These companies design, manufacture, and supply the tiny electronic circuits known as semiconductors that power the devices we use every day. Here are the top 30 electronic companies in Malaysia. 1. Intel Malaysia. 2. Advanced Micro Devices. 3. Infineon Technologies. 4. Broadcom Malaysia. 5. NXP Semiconductor. 6. Renesas Semiconductor. 7. Silterra. 8. Inari Technology. 9. On Semiconductor. 10. Unism M. Berhad. 11. Globotronics Technology. 12. Inari Amertran Berhad. 13. Malaysian Pacific Industries Berhad. 14. Altera Corporation. 15. ST Microelectronics. 16. Inari Technology SDN Berhad. 17. Dynacraft Industries. 18. Elpicience Malaysia. 19. UMC Semiconductor. 20. Global Mixed Mode Technology. 21. EANI Manufacturing SDN Berhad. 22. Silterra Malaysia SDN Berhad. 23. Avias Technologies SDN Berhad. 24. Globetron Malaysia. 25. Emulus Corporation. 26. Jabel Circuit Malaysia. 27. Globotronics Precision Optics. 28. Samco Malaysia. 29. FPG Technology. 30. Vitrox Technologies. The semiconductor industry is crucial for the future of technology and innovation. As these trends continue to evolve, semiconductor companies will play a vital role in shaping the world we live in. Subscribe now so you can immediately receive more details. These companies located in Malaysia and other countries.